y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla Renee, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to place an order through Alibaba. But before we get started, I know it's been a while since you guys seen my face. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, and I really don't have a reason as to why I haven't been posting. I guess you could say I'm just being lazy, but we're going to try to get out of that. We're going to try to post more videos. Anyways, as I stated earlier, today's video is going to be about how to place that order through Alibaba. I got a couple of requests for this video on my last video I made about how to find a vendor through Alibaba. I'll make sure I link that video in the description so you guys can check that one out if you haven't already. And make sure you watch that one before you watch this one, because this one kind of piggybacks off of that one. So if you haven't watched that one, you might be a little confused as to what I'm talking about. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So if you want to know how to place that order, just keep watching. Okay, now I am going to be using my computer to do this. I feel like it's easier to navigate through Alibaba on your computer versus your iPhone. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my computer screen. But I'm also going to project my screen onto the video so you guys can see what I'm doing as I'm talking about it. So that way, you know, you can follow step by step and you won't be lost. So the very first thing, obviously, is you have to make an account through Alibaba. It is free to make the account. You know, you only have to pay if you decide to place an order through a vendor. Now, since in the last video I looked at lash vendors, how to find a lash vendor through Alibaba, this time I'm just going to kind of piggyback off of that and still look at lash vendors. I might change it depending on if it allows you to place an order or if it allows you, or if you have to contact the vendor. It kind of depends, because with lashes, sometimes they don't let you just place the order directly. You have to find something like a purse or sunglasses, something like that. But we're going to try with the lashes first. So, since we're going to do lashes, we're just going to do 25 mm. Make lashes, and a bunch of different vendors are going to come up, so I'm just going to click on the very first one I see. They have 5 years of experience, they are verified, and they have $230,000 for 351 transactions, so it seems like they're a pretty good vendor. So with this one, they do allow you to place an order without having to contact them. So, well, I think so. If you click, like, you see the color, the package, the length is mixed. So if you click on the different, like where it says color, it'll show you different lash styles. So whichever one is highlighted, that's basically the one that you're viewing on the left side of the screen. So we're just gonna click. Oh, they have a lot more than what I thought. So we're gonna look for some long 25 mm lashes. Okay, we're gonna go with those. And then it asks for a package. So since the very top one doesn't have a price, then that means that this packaging is free for the lashes. So if you wanted to do free packaging, oh, it doesn't even let you click it. So maybe that just means they're out of stock. Oh, you know what? That is what that means. So all of these packages are included with your lashes. Because if you look up here, it says the price is 19 cents to $1.99 a pair with a 2-pair minimum order. So that $1.99 is basically what you'll be paying per lash. So that's why all of these have $1.99. So basically all of these boxes would be included with your lashes. And then I guess if you wanted customized lashes, you would contact them or reach out to them and, you know, get the price for the customized packaging. So we're just gonna click on this one and we'll do 2. So once you click the plus sign for 2, if you scroll back up, you'll see 2 pairs, $3.98. Shipping to the United States is $21. Usually they do the cheapest price available. Sometimes that's the only price they have available, so it's automatically picked for you. But if you click on it, if they have other payment or shipping options, it'll show you that as well. But this seems to be the only one they have, so we'll just go with that. So your total would be $24.98. Now instead of clicking start order, you're just going to click add to cart. So when you add it to the cart, you should already be signed in. I thought I already signed in, but whatever. So once you click add to cart, I believe it. Okay, so like I was saying, okay, so instead of clicking start order, you're going to click add to cart. Once you click add to cart, it'll show the items have already been added to the cart. So you just click on the cart at the top. It'll have whatever style you chose, the packaging you chose, total price, and then you make sure you click on it like with the check mark, and then you'll click place order. And then it'll bring you to the next page, which is where you would see the shipping price, and then it'll give you the total price with the transaction fees and everything included. And then you can choose whatever payment method you want. They accept credit, debit, Visa cards, other payment methods. They do now accept PayPal. Before, they weren't accepting PayPal, they weren't accepting Google Pay, they weren't accepting Apple Pay. And for a long time, I wasn't able to pay with my debit card on Alibaba, so I would have to literally create the order, send screenshots to the vendor, and the vendor would have to send me my invoice through PayPal directly, because Alibaba wasn't letting me use my debit card. So now that they actually let you use PayPal now, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, I usually just use my credit debit card since it's already on there. But say for instance it stops working, I'll go back and use PayPal or whatever. So that's pretty much how you would order if they allow you to place an order through Alibaba, or without having to contact the vendor. So now we're going to try to find a vendor that doesn't allow you to directly place the order through Alibaba without having to contact them. So we'll go to, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, we'll go to, they probably have it. Yep, they do. And I will say most of the time, the vendors that don't allow you to directly place the order, they usually aren't verified, or they usually don't have a lot of transactions. So we're gonna go find one that probably isn't verified, and then you'll probably just have to contact them to make the order. Okay, they are verified, but they let you do it. Let's see. Nope. Let me go back up to this one. Okay, so here's a good example. So you see how this one has the lens 15 through 30, the color black, and then the packaging, that's just one plain package. So you really don't have any lash styles to choose from. This is an option where you would have to contact the vendor, let them send you a catalog, and then you'll choose whatever lashes you want. And then they'll create the order, send it to you, and then you'll pay basically the same way. The only difference is they'll actually send you the invoice through your messages instead of you placing the order directly by yourself, because it doesn't give you the option to choose what lash styles you want to place the order like it did on the previous one. So usually when you order lashes through Alibaba, they do have other packaging than what is listed. So if you don't like any of the packaging that are listed, then it's best to just contact the vendor and then have them send you their complete box catalog, their complete lash catalog, because sometimes they don't even have all the lashes listed. So it never hurts to reach out, but this is just if you don't want to reach out, or say for instance you want to order samples. So that's another thing I'll touch on. We'll actually go back to the first vendor we chose, which is this one, I believe. That's the first one. We'll go back to this one, and they don't offer samples like for you to purchase by itself. So sometimes if you message them, and just say, hey, I want to order samples. It's probably still the same price, but it doesn't hurt to ask, because sometimes samples can be cheaper. It used to be where you can place an order for samples even if they don't allow you to place the order on your own, like for the last one that we just looked at, or they didn't have any lash outs for you to choose from. So usually if they don't have lash outs for you to choose from, well, how it used to be, they still would allow you to order samples. They would probably just send you any random pair for the sample or whatever. But like I said, if you want to order samples, usually it's around the same price, so you might as well just place a regular order. But like I said, it doesn't hurt to ask if they offer samples, and it may be cheaper. So that's pretty much how you place an order through Alibaba. It's not really that difficult, as long as you find a vendor that allows you to place the order without contacting them. In the event that you do have to contact them, then you might have to wait for them to respond, and you know, the time is different there versus here. So it really depends on if you find that vendor that allows you to place the order without having to contact them. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys like it and you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button. Also, don't forget to turn on my post notifications and subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be more consistent in posting videos. I know y'all tired of me saying that, but I am serious this time. So make sure you turn on my post notifications and make sure you subscribe to my channel.